Hi, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In this video, I want to show you how to create a long exposure photo on your iPhone. So, to create a long exposure photo from a live photo on your iPhone, let's first of all open Photos application on your device and let's go to that photo that you want to change. So now, in the top left corner of your screen, you will see a live button. You want to tap it, and from the list of options of effects, let's select long exposure. Let's wait until changes are applied, and this is how the final look. This is the final look. This is how image looks like after you applied long exposure effect. So that is basically it. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.